Just what did the president know, and when did he first know it?
It was a question with an answer that brought down a president. How much did President Nixon know about what had happened?
The Democratic break-in of the Democratic headquarters, we know what happened there. What we didn't know with regard to Watergate was what did the White House know about it and what did the White House do afterward, and apparently they concocted stories and lied.
Richard Benedetto is a veteran White House correspondent for USA Today, now teaching political science and journalism. He draws parallels to that investigation and to the investigation now underway into Benghazi, with similar questions still unanswered.
Is there a cover-up? Is there been a cover-up concocted to protect the president in an election year? That's basically what we want to know. Was the public told the whole story at the time?
They are questions we expect to see asked again and again by the new Select Committee to investigate Benghazi. The head of that committee, Congressman Trey Gowdy, has already given us a preview of sorts, questions he believes have not yet been answered.
Can you tell me why Chris Stevens was in Benghazi the night that he was killed? Do you know why we were the last flag flying in Benghazi after the British had left and the Red Cross had been bombed? Do you know why requests for additional security were denied?
Congressman Gowdy is also expected to look deeper into this email, talking points written by White House communications official Ben Rhodes, saying the protests were rooted in an internet video and the response should focus on the strength of the president. That was the clear-cut message from Ambassador Susan Rice when she appeared on Sunday talk shows in the days following.
The best information that we have.
A year and a half after the attacks in Benghazi, one thing hasn't happened. Someone in the president's own party, a Howard Baker of sorts, asking, what did the president know and when did he know it? In Washington, I'm Christine Frizzau reporting.